The magic is happening.
Wait, are these Rayovac batteries?
No, mine were Kodak.
Oh fuck, never mind. Let's just. Oh! That was tight.
Is that it?
No, there's two batteries.
Oh my god.
I told you to shoot out.
Like I shot at you too.
I know. I just
Imagine
wanted
if I
a
was
good
sitting right
video.
there. I would have burned my seat.
Can you hear it hissing in there?
It's hissing.
You know what's badass? It really fucking dented my fucking roof.
What?
It made a dent in my Oh shit, that's so badass. No, like look at the edge right here. It's all red, huh?
What do you mean red?
No, you have to look at it through an angle.
Yeah, it's all red.
That's badass.
What the fuck? Oh fuck! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, I so got that in video. Oh, I got a cramp from excitement.
That was it. That was the two.
Holy fuck! I was like, oh shit!
You see how high we all jumped?